ఫిలింనగర్ లో జేఆర్సీ కాన్వకేషన్ లో సినీ తారులు సిద్ధార్థ్, చార్మీలు సందడి చేశారు. పాప్స్ మ్యాగజైన్ ని కూడా విడుదల చేశారు. మూగజీవుల పట్ల వారికున్న గౌరవాన్ని, అభిప్రాయాలను వారు ప్రెస్ మీట్ ద్వారా తెలిపారు. వీరితో పాటు సింగర్ బాబా సైగల్, శిల్పారెడ్డి తదితరుల ముఖ్య అతిథులు కూడా పాల్గొన్నారు. వారు జంతువుల పట్ల ఉన్న ప్రేమానురాగాలను వారి మాటల్లోనే ఈ విధంగా వివరించారు.
And a very crooked tail at that. His name is Mowgli, and I think he's a much better model and actor than I am. And I was very surprised with the way he responded to cameras, because he's not usually very fond of photographs. But when Sashi Preetham and his photographer and her assistant, the three of them came with a multiple camera setup, I warned them saying Mowgli is not exactly a very trained dog. I don't believe in disciplining dogs too much. He's a very sweet dog and a very friendly dog, and he's also the biggest coward in the world. And sometimes he has a very loud bark that covers his cowardice. So don't get afraid. He's a really sweet kid, and I love the way she thanked everyone, including her mom and her brother and everybody who's here, because I think someone who has a lot of passion towards animals and taking care of them never forgets to thank everyone when she gets the chance. So that shows a lot of character, Sarvani. And this is a magazine about animals, and I don't think it's just about the lifestyle of having a pet. I think it's also about animal rights. I think it's also about just communicating properly with an animal, and it's also about teaching humans to communicate better in general. And I think any magazine that teaches a human being to be a better human being is a good effort. And I'm very proud to be part of this initiative with this group. I haven't done anything. I just spoke about Mowgli, and Sarvani said that I spoke only about Mowgli and not about my films. There's just so much to say about Mowgli. I thought I would need another 2 hours to speak about him, because he's been in my life for 10 years, and I hope he's there for forever. But you know that's not how it works. But as long as he's around, I want him to be happy and healthy and a really, really fun child to be around. And I would have definitely brought him. My mother thought he should have come instead of me for the event today.
Honestly, I'm not an animal lover, but I do love animals. So here you go. I don't have any pets. I've never had any. And but one thing is for sure, I just adore and admire the innocence of every animal. If you don't want to bring home any animal or any dog or anything, at least don't be cruel and rude to animals outside. Pick up a Hyderabad cause also. So that's it, and thanks to everyone here. I really love their approach, the way they messaged and the way they were so enthusiastic, with of course fun element in it. Thank you so much.
To kind of speak their mind and educate people as to how to take care of a pet and give them respect, treat them with dignity, as Shravani mentioned earlier. Also, Charmi was so honest to say that she doesn't have a pet at home, but she would not be rude or cruel to them. That's the message even I want to emphasize on. Even if you don't have an animal at home, if someone is actually hurting an animal or being ill-treating an animal in your own colony, report it, like especially for if you can call Blue Cross or ask them to come and rescue the animal. Like little small things like this, being responsible towards animals goes a long way. For example, there was this animal in my street who would get pregnant every 6 months, and I would see she was going weak and really going frail. And try to not use products which are tested on animals, because they are living beings and they feel the pain, trauma, just because they cannot speak. I was talking to him, I don't know, I broke down, and I never thought I would actually break down after 6 months of losing her, but I think he made me relive the moments I shared with my dog while I was talking to him. Thank you, Shashi Preetham Garu, for that. And this beautiful pictures of Baba. Baba is still with me. Sorry, that's another. Yeah, the four-legged Baba. Yeah, it's beautiful. He's with me, and you can see his pictures in the magazine. I can't wait to take a look at the magazine. And thanks for inviting me, Shravani, and thanks Siddharth, Charmi, Lakshmi. What should I say about Lakshmi? She's a pediatrician, sorry, for my dog. Anytime I panic, it's Lakshmi. She's on my speed dial. So, any animal lover who has a pet at home, Lakshmi's number should be on speed dial.
I was not prepared for this, but yes, But before I say something, I would like to tell Shilpa that don't be embarrassed, because Babas are everywhere. And especially in South Africa, when you go to South Africa, like your grandfather is a Baba, your father is a Baba, your brother is a Baba. So in fact, I'm happy that she's been using my name for so many years. Baba, Baba, she must be calling the pet Baba. But nevertheless, it's a wonderful occasion talking about pets. Earlier I was not a pet lover, but of late when I shifted to Hyderabad, yes, a lot of people ask me, okay, what am I doing in Hyderabad? I must tell them that, India is my country, whether I stay in Chennai, I stay in Hyderabad, I stay in Delhi or stay in Mumbai. I'm an Indian citizen. So this clarity has to be proved today that yes, I'm a Pakka Hyderabadi. I've been staying here for the last 1.5 years. And me and Ashima, of course. And when we came here, obviously we are just a couple. So she requested that we should buy a pet. Of course, I've had a pet a couple of years ago in Mumbai. So we were like spotting which breed. So we picked up Shih Tzu, the small. So we picked up Shih Tzu. Her name is Macy. We bought her last year in Hyderabad only. And see, I'm talking like Siddharth was talking about Mowgli. I have to talk about Macy also, because yes, pets are lovely human beings. I should say that. Lovely human beings. Unconditional love. And you may have friends, you may have foes in human beings, but pets are only friends. And if you make friends with them, they are awesome, they are lovely, they are the best creatures in the world. Be it a dog or a cat, whatever. But this Macy, whenever I come home, I say, Chonache ponache po momo, chikiliki chantana hona. So these are the words. She gets carried away. She's so happy, she's so bubbly, she starts playing. Even before coming here, me and Ashima, we were out of her house.
So much love and so much of emotion, and they make everyone's dreams come true. I'm sure everyone, animal lovers have always felt, when they see some cruelty on the street, can't we do something about it? But then they find, that they don't have any support to do it. You can't do something alone, you see. So, and they also feel a sense of reticence, because they feel that, they show emotion, and how are other people going to react to it, you see. And when